As a black girl in the system, I was taught to hate myself. Raised in a black home, if you talk back, they grab the belt. I was jumping house from house, you don't know how that made me feel. 2 years later, grabbed the knife, I was ready to kill myself. You don't know shit about my life, stop saying that you care. Where was you at when he was touching me? None of y'all was there. Where was you at when my mother died? None of y'all was there. Where was you at when I was hopeless? None of y'all was there. I used to have this spark in me. You see, they took that glow in me. Want me to tell you about my life without you even knowing me? I'm facing this world on my own, I ain't afraid to be alone. Mama died when I was 12, ever since then I had to be grown. Ain't no happy ending, ain't no happiness for me. Told my uncle I wanna rap, he told me that was just a dream. And dreams don't come true for black girls that look like me. So therapist, please tell me, what do you see when you look at me? Do you see a future? Or do you see a curse? I've been trying my best, I always seem to do my worst. My family don't love me, my brother won't even hug me. My sister been acting funny, it's like ain't nobody for me. Like the world is out to get me. It's like the world is out to get me.